Honor has silently launched its new smartphone under X series in some selected global market as Honor X7e. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X7e features a tall 6.61-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1010 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by a luminosilicate glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage. In the camera department, the Honor X7e sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture. At the front, it has 5-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Magic OS 10 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.9 by 75.9 by 8.29mm, and it weighs around 204 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X7e has been priced in Malaysia at 899 Malaysian ringgits, and it is now available for purchase in the country in sunrise orange and midnight black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X7e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.